I really don't know kung paano ko ito sisimulan, but here I go. So, I decided to take video journals sa writing journey ko. Ever since first year high school, it was my biggest dreams na maging writer, yung napapublish na yung books mo, ganun. And something happened during grade 10, and I completely stopped writing for almost 2 years kasi what happened during my grade 10 is very devastating, and like nag-shutdown talaga ako mentally. Like, I started losing interest in doing things that I really wanted. Noon, I'm very active sa school, yung like very active na mag-study, but talaga nag-shutdown. And right now, I'm trying to find my way back again. So, last year, I find an online platform where I can post my stories and also earn at the same time. So, sa online platform na yun, I started two of my stories is my contract na, and those two were already in pay to read na kontrata. But I know na hindi siya ganun kaganda, and my chapters are really not that flawless kagaya ng mga napapublish na book. So right now, I created another story. I applied for another contract, and last time na-reject siya. And then inedit ko siya, and then I tried again to apply for a contract, and hindi ko pa nakikita if na-reject pa siya or na-accept ba yung application ko. But I wanted to like record kung ano yung outcome ng pag-apply ko ng kontrata. So, yeah. Check natin guys, but sorry, naka-piso wifi lang kami. Wala kami sariling internet. So, resume ko lang, and no VPN please. Try kong i-open. Ay! So, yung online platform pala na hanap ko guys is on Dream, and you can upload your stories sa story writing. So, ilalagin mo lang yung mag-login ka lang using your Google account. Excuse me. Okay. Login ko lang yung Google account ko. And, oh my god. Wait, medyo kinakabahan ako. Paano ba to? So, wait. Ayoko muna makita. Baba. Okay. So, here are the two of my stories na completed na siya and on pay to read. So, this one is ABL story, and it's all about kanang werewolf siya. So, it's all about mates, pero BL siya, and ano na to siya, completed na siya, and naka-pay to read na siya. So far, medyo marami-rami naman yung views, and so, meron na siyang authorization for distribution or audio adaptation. Yeah. And then the second one is Immortal Heart. So, dito, in this story, this is all about werewolves and vampires and paranormal associations, something like that. So this is also pay to read, and may contract na siya, though hindi pa ganun kadami yung readers or viewers niya. So alam ko naman na both of these stories hindi talaga perfect grammar kasi hindi naman talaga ako magaling doon. So this is the third, yung bagong apply ko, and oh my god, check natin. Ay. So, oops, konti lang. My god. Disapprove siya. So, the title is Reign of the Hybrid Alpha Queen. And, na-disapprove siya. Wait lang, tingnan natin why. So, wala pa siyang views, basically. And, your contract application was not approved. Dear author, thank you for your submission. However, I am sorry to inform you that we didn't get approved by our team. We want books that grab readers and keep them hooked. Your idea is not bad, but the storytelling may be a little weak. So, na-disapprove siya. And, I really don't know, paano ba to? Siguro, ang dalawang pangalawang apply pa na to, and it's still rejected, but I will keep trying because maybe talagang maraming kulang and big yung story ko, so I will do my best talaga and reapply. I hope you'll be with me in my journey, and